So I'm out here preparing some celosia to be netted, and I'm pinching back some of it. Some varieties I do and some don't. This is Kurumi Rose, which is one of the most desirable colors. See how beautiful and hot pink, but see how crummy those blooms are? So this is a crop that we've learned to pinch back. So you can see these are about 12, 13 inches tall. That's the plants. And then here's, after I cut it back, what's there. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 5 different branchings going on. So we've just found that we get better quality blooms when we cut them back, and we get more stems. So, and I'm just cutting just about 2 inches from ground. There's my finger, the end of my index finger, above a bunch of these branches. So there you go. We always do this with Kurumi, rose, and yellow, and bicolor, but the other colors seem to be strong enough that they produce a beautiful first central stem and then go on to also branch. So you just kind of experiment. Great day, June 14th. Great day in the garden.